test, statement and conclusion, assumptions and reasons, assumptions, inferences, blood relation. Okay, blood relation is a thing. Okay, but it is not about the knowing the names or connecting with the family. It's problems, not family problems. Okay, syllogism, coding, decoding. These are just some topics which we have. Okay, if meeting is over, I'll give you time for the meeting. Just 10 more minutes. Okay. These are the topics. Some of them you have heard, you have learned also, you have solved the questions also. Some are new. Right? It actually, mental ability is kind of in everything which we are learning. We are doing these things. Like wherever we are solving, we are doing these things. Psychological aptitude test. Real life situations. They'll give you scenarios and they'll ask you, in this situation, what will you do? This is very common nowadays in job interviews. Yes. It's Olympiads are kind of even more difficult than job interviews. Trust me. I have given job interviews and Olympiads are definitely more tough than any job interview I've given. Okay. Yeah. So basically, aptitude, psychological aptitude test, you'll be given a situation. So how helpful and applicable that can be, right? Statements and conclusion, a reasoning problem, how to reason something, an art. Very, very well needed in your future.
So it can also be 3 into 5 into 3 into
3 into 5 nahi.
Yes,
Dekho,
sir, I did
first
that.
of all, we saw sir 15 plus 6 is 21, then plus 3 is 24, then plus 6 is 30, then plus 3 is 33, then plus 6 is 39. So plus 3 should be 41. No, 42. But 42 is not there. Yes, Darsh.
I didn't count it.
Very good. Good. So now look at another thing. Reason your answer. 1 plus 5 is? 2 plus 1 is? 4 plus 2 is? 3 plus 0 is? 3 plus 3 is? But 9 plus 3 is? So what should we add?
So I got
We are adding the sum of digits of the number. Oh, yo. So 512 multiplied with half will be 256. Now 256 and the 256 is coming again. So basically we must have multiplied with 1 here. That should be our observation. What's this? Now see 256 and 384. There is now the problem. We must have got stuck. Right? So into half into 1. Now 1.5. 1.5. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5. Half is 0.5. 1 is 1. This is 1.5. Next will be what? 2. And that's exactly into 2. So now next should be what? 5 by 2.
1920.
Now what do we have?
1920.
At least tell me the answer.
1920. 1920.
Now I'm not going to teach you how to do 768 into 5 by 2. Okay, I'll teach you.
Sir, please. Sir, can you explain me again?
So 1920. Yeah, can you? This was Babesh. Is it you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Babesh, simple thing. See, these two words are connected. Means, for example, suppose my name. Nobody asked my name, by the way. Anyway, so popular.
Ayush.
Okay, suppose I want to make. Yeah, my name is Ayush. For those who don't know, my name has to be coded. Now there can be certain ways in which I can code this, right? Suppose I code this as BXVRI. So what can be the pattern? A plus 1 is B, next letter, Y minus 1, previous letter, U plus 1, R minus 1, S minus 1, right? H plus 1. So pattern. Now you can make any code using this pattern, correct? Same with these two are also connected. What can be the pattern?
Sir, you split them and then...
Good. This was... I need to know who's speaking.
Sir.
Arav? Was it you? Okay. +1 and then flip. No, okay. I think yes. Let everybody analyze. Please take your time, maintain silence so that everybody can solve.
Yes, it's 124.
And this was who was this? Atrikan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
The
How?
answer is 124. Like basically,
Method?
N is 14, E is 5, W is 23, J is 10, E is 5, R is 18, S is 19, E is 5, and
So we're adding up.
add everything,
Very-
then you
very
get 124.
Very good, Atrikan. You have to put effort to get to the answer. Staring the problem will just give the problem, not the solution. Or not? Huh? Who said
Correct, sir.
Huh? Tell me,
Correct,
Jana.
sir.
Which thing? No. 2 cuts are making 3 pieces. Okay? Then 2 cuts simultaneously. Whenever we are doing simultaneously, just like suppose I have city A, city B, and city C. With 2 ways I can go from city A to city B. Right? And there are 3 ways of going from city B to city C. Okay? Now if I ask you, you have to go from A to C via B. Through B, you have to go from A to C. So this time you will be doing 2 jobs simultaneously. Okay, understand this. First job is going A to B, which has 2 ways. Then second job is going B to C, which has 3 ways. Now you are doing both the tasks simultaneously. So number of ways will be 2 into 3. 6. You can go AB and take this. You can go AB and take this. You can go AB and take this. You can go this and this. You can go this and this. You can go this and this. So whenever we are doing multiple things simultaneously, total number of methods are multiplied. Janak, now better. So we have made 2 cuts here, made 3 pieces. 2 cuts here, made 3 pieces. 3 cuts here, made 4 pieces. All the cuts are made simultaneously, one after the other. One job after the other and the other. So that's why now multiplication is there. So total is coming out to be 36. And there are total 36 pieces. You can count all. Imaginatively, you can count. 36 pieces will be there, Janak, yes or no? Don't say yes because I'm understand? Okay. Now, again, coming to the problem. How many total pieces are there? How many total pieces are there which are stacked together? 210 are total pieces. That means the big block will have 210 pieces. 210 pieces. Okay. Now
Sir,
these 210. Yes.
does the pieces include inside also?
Yes, obviously, all the pieces inside, obviously. All the pieces which we can see, obviously, we have 2-dimensional board, we cannot make 3-dimensional figure. Right? So you have to be imaginative a bit. Now, but the point is that this 210 must be coming by the multiplication of 3 numbers, yes or no? Yes or no? There must be some digits here. How can we get 210? Find that out. With the multiplication of 3 numbers. Yes, wait. 3, 5 and okay, 3, 10 and 7. Let's 3, 5 and 14. Let's take 3, 5 and क्या बोला?
14.
1.
14.
Okay, first take let's 3, 7, 10. Okay, let's take first 3, 7, 10. Smaller. We have to see. Also know that we have to find least. So as small as possible, we have to keep these numbers. Yes or no? We want to find least number of cuts. So keep these numbers as small as possible.
So 3, 6,
Now
7.
these
3, 6,
numbers will
7.
tell us. Now these numbers are telling us how many cuts. 3 means 2 cuts. Correct? 7 means 6 cuts. 10 means 9 cuts. Total is 17 cuts. These are cuts. Okay, these are cuts. Remember. And we have to find the total cuts. So 17. Correct? But I get the feeling that 17 might not be the least. Can there be
Sir,
any
367.
other way?
Sir, 367.
5. Now see, this
367.
10 can be made even smaller. How? 10 is 5 into 2.
Yes, sir.
So
Two
I'll
into three.
adjust that 2 here
Sir, 367.
and I'll leave that 5 here. So now I have single digit numbers. 6, 7 and 5. I cannot make smaller than this. I cannot get 210 with multiplication of smaller than these numbers. Correct? So this should be the minimum. Let's see. 5 cuts, 6 cuts, 4 cuts added together. Say as simple as that. Everybody knows this.
Sir, we cannot see.
Okay. Online student didn't see only. This is thumb. This is your index finger. This is middle finger. This is the ring finger and this is little finger. Okay. Thumb, index, middle, ring and little.
Sir, ring finger.
Very good.
That's right.
Reason your answer. Something plus 1. Correct. 8 into something plus 1. Now you find out the multiple of 8 near 1994. How will we find that out? We'll divide 1994 by 8. 8 2s are 16, 3 9, 8, huh? Sorry?